Hello viewers, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video and I pray that Allah Almighty showers His countless blessings on you and your family. So let's start. Our today video topic is DIY home decor ideas. Here are some unique DIY home decor ideas to add a personal touch to your living space. Washi Tape Wall Art. Use colorful washi tape to create geometric patterns or abstract designs directly on your walls. It's a temporary and non-damaging way to add a pop of color and creativity. Floating bookshelves. Mount old hardcover books on the wall to create floating bookshelves. They not only serve as functional storage but also add an interesting visual element to your room. Photo clip string lights. Attach photos to string lights using clips or miniatures clothespins. This creates a charming and personalized way to display your favorite memories. Mason jars, lanterns. Paint or decorate mason jars and place battery operated tea lights inside. Hang them in your garden or around your home for a cozy and whimsical atmosphere. Vintage window frame mirror. Repurpose an old window frame into a mirror by attaching a mirror to the back. The multiple panes of glass can add depth and character to your decor. Cork bulletin board wall. Cover a section of your wall with cork tiles to create a large bulletin board. It's a practical and creative way to display notes, photos, and other items. Suspended plant holders. Create hanging plant holders using twine, ropes, or macrame techniques. Hang small potted plants in various corners of your home to add a touch of nature. Painted rock garden markers. Paint rocks with the names of herbs or plants and use them as markers in your garden. It's a simple and charming way to keep your garden organized. Repurposed furniture. Give new life to old furniture by repainting, refinishing, or repurposing it. For example, turn an old ladder into a stylish bookshelf or a vintage suitcase into a unique coffee table. Map wall art. Frame and hang vintage maps or maps of places that hold special meaning to you. This can be a great conversation starter and a way to showcase your travel. Pallet furniture. Use wooden pallets to create functional furniture pieces like coffee tables, shelves, or outdoor seatings. Sandpaint and arrange the pallets to suit your style. Tapestry or fabric wall hangings. Choose a beautiful fabric or tapestry and hang it on your wall as a focal point. This adds textures and warmth to your space. Book page art. Create art by cutting out interesting shapes or designs from old books or magazines and framing them. It's a unique way to incorporate literary elements into your decor. Chalkboard, wall, or door. Paint a wall or the back of a door with chalkboard paint. You can use it as a creative space for notes, doodles, or daily inspiration. Floating plant shelves. Install floating shelves and place potted plants on them. It's a dynamic way to add greenery to your walls and utilize vertical space. Remember, the key to unique DIY home decor is to infuse your personality and style into each project. Feel free to customize these ideas to match your preferences and create a space that truly reflects you. If you are new on the video, please subscribe, comment, share. Subscribe and press bell icon to get instant notification of my videos. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.